Here's my new suitcase. Anyways, we're gonna ride today we're gonna do a holiday update on this thing here. That's right, the ThyssenDover hydraulic elevator. Look at this beautiful Christmas tree right next to the call button. Very nice tree. As you can see over here, here's a little touch screen. Oh, and here's the elevator. We're gonna go down to LL. Here we go. Here are at LL. Door button works. Installed in 2001. Very nice elevator. Impulse buttons. Dover hands-free 88 code compliant phone. There goes and that's it.